Hey peeps, what's up? Manji here, back with another video. And in case you want to make Siri smarter, make Siri a pro, you can actually do that with integration with OpenAI and ChatGPT. Now, here is a small demo wherein I ask Siri and then I ask Siri powered by OpenGPT and ChatAI for a recipe, and you can see that how OpenAI and ChatGPT is definitely better. Now, after the demo, I am going to show you how you can do this on your iPhones, wherein you can make Siri smarter, make Siri a pro, and power it by OpenAI and ChatGPT. Of course, all the relevant links are in the description of this video. Recipe for noodles.
I found this on the web.
Siri God mode.
It makes Siri smarter.
Do you have recipe for noodles?
Still on it. Yes. Here is a simple recipe for noodles. Ingredients: 8 ounces of dried noodles, 2 tablespoons.
First things first, you need an account with OpenAI. So create that and then you can go to the link in the description of this video, which will take you to the page for API keys. Herein, select create new secret key and it is going to create a key for you and show it in a pop-up. Then tap anywhere, everything will be highlighted and selected. Tap anywhere one more time and say copy. Once you've copied this, we can go back to our home screen. Next thing, if you do not already have the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, go ahead and download it from the App Store. It is free to download. Next thing, there is a link in the description of a video for a shortcut. So once you tap on that link, you will be on a page like this, and herein we are going to say add the shortcut, and then it is going to take you to the shortcuts application which you just downloaded, and this is the one which you have downloaded. So tap on the three dots on the right of the shortcut and then tap on this down arrow to rename it, and you can give it any name which you want to. Now this is the name which is going to be said out loud when you have to use OpenAI and ChatGPT with Siri, so keep that in mind. So you can give it the name Siri Pro mode, Siri Pro, Siri Elite, Siri God mode, whatever you are comfortable with. Then on this text over here, it says put API key. So delete everything from here and then we need to paste in our API key. So just press and hold and then say paste. Then you can scroll down and you will reach another section which says ask for text with. It says over here, I make Siri smarter. You can put in any text over here which you want to. So to edit it, just tap on it, delete everything and put whatever text you like and then say done, and then you can say done on the top right. Now to test this out, all you have to do is tap on the shortcut. You will get a pop-up and herein let us say hello and say done. Now it is asking me that this shortcut which I just created, which is your Siri God mode, Siri Pro mode, or Siri Elite, wants to access api.openai.com. So we are going to say allow over there, and bam, there it is. We did get a response, which means our shortcut is now working like a pro. Now, how do you invoke this? So let us say I invoke Siri and then I have to use the name of the shortcut. In my case, it was Siri God mode. So let us give that a try. Siri God mode.
It makes Siri smarter.
Hey, do you really make Siri smarter?
No, we can't. Only Apple has access to the artificial intelligence technology that powers Siri.
There it is. We are using OpenAI with Siri. Now, what if we do not invoke the OpenAI chat GPT thing and ask Siri if it really makes Siri smarter? Do you really make Siri smarter?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Now, in case you want to add a shortcut to this Siri Pro mode using ChatGPT and Open AI on your home screen, all you have to do is tap on the three dots, and then you have to tap on this eye on the bottom, which is inside the circle. And herein you can say add to home screen. And once you're satisfied with the shortcut name, the icon, all you have to do is select add. And bam, there it is. You can see that we now have the shortcut for Siri with OpenAI, and you can talk with it using your text over here as well, and you will see in your dynamic island that here it is responding to us, and then you can say done. The only downside is that you will have to do that or open that shortcut every time you want to communicate with Siri using OpenAI and Chat GPT. You do not have the continued conversations which you can have with Google Assistant.